Hi guys, my name is Ellie. I teach sewing and crafts at the library, and today I'm going to show you how to turn one piece of paper into an 8-page zine. So if you don't already know, a zine is a handmade or self-published magazine. Especially in the days before the internet, people use them as a really quick and cheap way to spread art, information, activism, all sorts of stuff. So if you're interested in zines, we actually have a collection of them at the 4th floor of the downtown library. We have all sorts of subjects. Some are even from the 80s and 90s. It's really cool. You should check it out. So all you're going to need for this project is a piece of paper and a pair of scissors. So I'm going to start by folding my paper in half long ways. Okay, and then I'm going to open it again, and I'm going to fold it in half the other way. Open it again, and then I'm going to fold these two shorter edges into the middle. I'm going to open it again, and now I'm going to fold it in half this way one more time. And now I'm going to take my scissors, and I'm going to start on the edge that's folded and cut following this crease, but then stop when I get to this point where these two lines meet. So now we have a piece of paper with a slit in the middle. So I'm going to fold it in half long ways and kind of set it up on my table. And then I'm going to push the two sides together until you form kind of a plus sign shape. Then I'm going to take these two edges and put them together and put the other two together. And now I'm going to lay it flat, just kind of flatten it out with my hands. And then I'm going to fold it in half one more time. So now you have an 8-page booklet. So how you fill these pages is totally up to you. You can hand draw or handwrite in them. You can format them on the computer and then print them out. You can do collage. You could do really anything that you can think of. One thing to keep in mind is that the pages are going to be formatted like this. So the number 1 is the front cover, and then this is the second page all the way around. 8 is the back cover. So when you're drawing out your zine, when you have your piece of paper like this, one half should appear upside down, but it's okay. Once it's folded, it'll fix itself. So I made a little example out of mostly junk mail that I found, and I collaged together just using a glue stick. So this is my original, and then I went and made a copy of it. So this is a copy. And that's another good thing about zines. You can really easily make a bunch of them just by going to get copies of your pieces of paper. So then once I folded it all down, this is my little zine. So this is such a quick and easy craft. The possibilities are truly endless. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you next time. Bye.